What year the car?
2007.
2007. Check VCS system.
ABS.
Camry.
The ABS is running for everything, for the hybrid.
Okay. So go ahead and start the car.
I started already. Nothing. Still loading, but doesn't matter for this one.
Oh, you put an aftermarket radio? Or this original?
No, this is original.
Oh wow, looks very fancy.
Yes, but you see, check engine and ABS. Even if I reset the code, it's still the same thing. I have one small one here.
And how the car die?
For no reason. I
Like-
go, everything dark.
But
Once I replace the battery,
the car die when you get off the freeway, or when you already parking?
once I go to the parking and I leave the car like 8 hour or 10 hour, and
Yeah.
after I coming back, I try to turn it. Even this one not running because the battery is a 12 volt. The battery died.
When you say like nothing light up? Or
Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing. Everything dark.
So why don't you check the starter and regular stuff?
No, it's not going this way. When I check the code, it's going to ABS. I have it before.
But I don't think the ABS code will stop the car.
Yes.
It
For
can?
hybrid, for hybrid and electricity, yes.
ABS stop the car?
ABS controller stop everything in the car.
What?
But not start up, not light.
Oh.
This something else because it starts the car. The hybrid not gonna work. Only the 12 volt working. For this car, the 12 volt working only for startup only.
Yeah.
But now working for everything, and that's not normal. I'm gonna try to erase the code. No codes.
Okay.
No codes at all. You see?
Yep.
The other one say like 10 codes.
So right now the car's complete. Everything in the car is still in the car, right?
Yes.
Nobody pull anything out,
Nothing.
All right. Okay.
I can send for you the code I have last time.